So we have some wild blackberries right here. This is a grapevine, and then that's an apple tree. This is plums. There's a couple plum trees. There's a bunch of persimmons over here. This apple tree has died. That's an apple tree. These are persimmons. We have a peach and a pear tree on that way. There's another apple tree. Two mimosa trees down there. They're growing beautifully. This is a crab apple tree, I think. See my mimosas. Locusts. I wanted to check on these lilies that grow wild to see if they'd. These are called oxeye daisies. But yeah, I was wanting to see if these lilies have started to bloom yet. This is a four-wheeler trail that leads up to the top. Not yet. Little sassafras. Yeah. Here is the plant, but they've not grown any flowers yet, like this. That one's been cut by something. What the heck? That's weird. I don't know. All these little ferns. Heck, they sell those at the store for like 20 bucks. Like, that's crazy. Just go dig you one. I hear Mason trying to start his bike. I'm wearing my skirt that I made. I love these ferns. I'd like to dig a few of them up and take them down there. These are some of my favorite. Up. Ew, Puck, thanks. I wonder what this is. I like that. I know it's like a wild grass, but I don't know.